This one is simply called, What Are You Saying? Hey guys, my name is Hart and today I'm joined with my brother
Jure.
once again. For today I thought we would do a challenge video. I saw Mamrie Hannah and Grace Helbig do the Hart soundboard challenge and it was so funny, I thought let's do it. Grace Hannah and Mamrie did it with alcohol, but because Jure is underage, we must not use alcohol.
So we take shots when we lose, or
yeah,
we take
okay, the rules are, for example, if it's my turn, I name the fart and I play it, and if you laugh to either of those actions, the playing of the fart and the naming of the fart, you drink a shot of vinegar. Got vinegar, got shot glasses. This one's yours because it ain't clean it up. I did not do that. Anyway.
Shane would be proud.
Shane would be proud. Okay, let's begin. So, let's play rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, you win. You go first. You name the fart and then you play it. And you mustn't laugh. Okay, wait.
Puff Daddy. But I can laugh, right?
You have to drink. You have to laugh. You can laugh. You can laugh, but you have to drink if I don't. So drink. I have high tolerance for Puff Daddy because I already saw it in Grace's video. Pour it up, pour it up. Watch it all fall out.
Not too much.
Not too much. Because this is strong. Oh, she. How is it? Ah! The aftertaste! Shawn Mendes aftertaste. No, it's my turn. We don't go rock, paper, scissors. Only when we decide which one starts. This one is called Uh-oh! Fill my cup, put some vinegar in it.
I'm the only one taking shots today.
It has only begun.
Oh shit.
Your turn. Okay.
Slide trombone. Yeah, you're cringing.
That's not cringing, that's grinning. Grinning isn't laughing. I need to laugh.
You cry every time.
You cry every time. What's that on your shirt?
Damn, it feels good to be Biggie Smalls. Oh shit, this one hit me.
I'm really sorry for you though. Don't look! I think it's all about the presentation, how you present the name and then you play it and then...
Okay, just do it.
This one is called Mudslide.
Yeah, but I always take the long one. 4 shots.
4 shots, it's been 4 shots, wow. I have to drink it on camera.
Tanya farting. Tanya farting.
I survived. You drink.
No, not again.
Wow.
I'm getting used to it.
This one is called Morning Dew. Get it, Morning Dew.
Ah, shit.
Okay, the first time my turn being. Now it is ha ha ha. Okay. Ah!
Pour it up.
Watch it out, fella. Okay, I've got more than you had. Okay. Oh my god, that's strong.
It will be alright, young grasshopper.
That's horrible. I'm sorry for you.
My turn. Nah.
Nah.
Alien encounter.
That's
Time to take a shot.
That's funny. Just alien encounter like that, because like you imagine what it could be and then it's that.
This is the second shot already.
Hey, good, hey.
You've had 5, so shut the F up.
How does that feel, bro?
Get ready. This one is called Goo Goo Doo Doo.
Okay.
Fucking bitch.
Time to take a shot.
No.
Yeah. Okay, this one's called Forest Dump.
Fuck's sake. I'm starting to get sick.
That's right. You're still playing.
Play, like. Drink.
But this round is always
I didn't laugh.
over.
I didn't laugh, you drink. Okay, we're gonna do 3 more rounds. Mine, yours, mine. Mine is the last one. Okay. This one is simply called, what are you saying?
Play it 2 times.
You laughed. Drink.
What? J'ai dit je play it 2 times.
Yeah, wait. I can play it how many times I want. Whoa, that's a lot of vinegar. Oof.
This one is called Donald Loves Daisy.
Not even funny. Drink. This video is just torture for you to...
I'm used to it.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay, last turn.
We're gonna take the last shot.
This one is called Monica, you was stinky. God damn it.
Yeah!
Don't. Cheers.
Yeah,
Need
that's
water.
fine.
Wow, so that was a fun experience, was it?
Yeah, it was alright.
Did we bond over vinegar drinking?
No.
Okay, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give us a
thumbs up.
If you want to check more of my videos, click on the playlist. It's all of my videos, so if you want to see more, I don't know. And if you're new to my channel and you want to know when I upload new videos, you can click on the subscribe button below. Okay, love you. Bye.
Bye.
Alo, to je moje delo. This is my show. Goodbye.